What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of the Grease Monkeys vlog. This is my first vlog on my RX100, so I'm super excited. So I wanted to talk about this crazy thing that happens here in Chennai. Bikers getting arrested for touring. Yes, I said that right. We get arrested for touring. I'm not afraid of a little off-roading. I've been arrested like 2 times. Not exactly arrested, just pulled over and asked to pay a fine because I was riding fast on a highway. And by fast, I mean I was pulled over on my RX100 once. This thing doesn't, I mean, it's capable of 100 kilometers per hour, but it vibrates a lot. I usually go at about 80 kilometers an hour. And I was pulled over at 80, saying I was speeding, and the guy who arrested me said I was going 120. I'm like, are you freaking kidding me? If I could go 120, I would be home by now. And he pulls me over, he gives me crap about wearing gears. I was wearing my riding jacket and my gloves and my helmet. And he pulls me over and he's like, why are you wearing all this stuff? Are you going to go race somewhere? I'm like, no sir, I'm not going to race. I'm just going going on a small ride. I'm just here enjoying my Sunday. Oh shit. Yeah, I'm just here enjoying my Sunday, and I'm just slowly riding and looking at the scenery on ECR on the left side, and then he says, you were speeding, rash driving, so you'll have to be paying a fine of 1,500 rupees. I'm like, I will not pay the fine, I was not speeding. And then he calls in backup for me, as if I was too much to handle or something. I was getting irritated or something. He called in backup, so 3 more officers came to that spot and they started shouting at me saying, you should listen to a police officer and blah blah blah. I'm like, sir, I was not racing, I was not rash driving, I was going on the left side of the road, like really slowly compared to the other people riding and driving on this road, and why are you pulling me over for nothing? And then it became a whole thing. There were more cops, and a couple of people stopped to help me out, my friends, and we sorted things over, but I guess we had to like take care of it, if you know what I mean. And those 14 bikers who got arrested, bro, my heart goes out to you. I've been there, know how it feels, bro. Talking about shit that needs to be stopped. This whole superior biker thing that some guys have going on, that shit needs to stop too, man. I've come upon a lot of posts that ridicule stuff about bikers. They're made by these pompous bikers who think they've done it all and they're like the supreme class of bikers in India. You guys are shit, bro. Let me tell you that. You guys are shit, and let me tell you why you guys are shit. These real bikers don't discriminate other bikers. They respect every biker, every kind of biker, irrespective of the kind of bike they drive, irrespective of the gears they have, the types of rides they love. Some people love track days, some people love touring, some people love off-roading. To discriminate bikers against that is full fucking shit, idiot. Shit, commenting on the biking culture in India, seriously. It's just lame. Biking is different to different people. Why don't you understand that, dumbasses? It's different to different people. I just have zero respect for these kind of people who talk shit about other bikers. It's very unbiker-like and it's just very annoying. So that's it for this episode of the Grease Monkeys vlog. Sorry for the excessive ranting. I was just super annoyed with the shit that's happening. Stay safe, guys. Ride safe, and don't forget to subscribe to the video. And see you guys till next time. Don't be douchebags on the internet, guys. Bye bye.